Plan on using either the heat inside the camper or the cooktop, then you'll have to first come outside and turn on the gas. So this camper has two propane tanks, as you see, both 20 pounds, and there's a supply valve here pointing in the direction to show which one is the active one. So in this particular case, since this particular pin is showing this direction, this is the one that's active. That's the one you need to turn on. Do not switch the side unless and until you know that this side of the gas is completely empty. After this, that's all you need to do to turn on the gas to supply to the camper. And of the cooktop, it has 3 burners, and in the front it'll say left, front and right. So if, let's say, you're turning on the front one, so all you have to do is turn the knob a little bit to the light position and then turn this knob, and there you go. Same thing if you're doing the left, turn this to light and then turn this on, and there it goes. Right side, same thing, turn it on and turn this, and there it goes. That's how you turn them all on. And thanks for checking out Wanderfleet. We rent campers, RVs, cars and motorcycles for trips with friends and family. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you know someone who might find this video useful, please share it with them. Thanks for watching.